Hi friends, welcome to Enrich Stock Trading Group, and today I'm going to talk about where we should stop trading on any particular script or not to trade even though when there is a good movement in Nifty. So today is 18th June 2020, and I am on the script called SBI. So if you see this script, it's trading around 174.30 rupees. Okay, so you can see the movement here for today's trade. Let me show it in the cursor. So if you see the movement here, it's going up. So the day started over here, and if you see, it's a 15 minutes candle. So you see the movement here, it's coming down and it's going up, and it's not able to go in a one particular direction. Okay, so we will not trade this particular script until it breaches. Uh, when I will just convert it to the line setup so that it would be easy to understand. So go here and just change it to line graph. Okay, so if you see in this, it will be more clear than the on the trend than the candlestick pattern. So if you see here, the trading is happening, but you will be trading only when it is crossing 175 rupees, or you will be shorting it if it is coming down below 173.30 rupees. Okay, in between I would suggest not to trade. So I will just open the Nifty chart to make you understand that why we should not be trading the SBI symbol in the current market. Okay, let me go here. So this is the Nifty chart. So if you see currently, Nifty is trading at 9976 on the right side. You can see. Okay, so there is a good movement. If I convert, so this is how it looks on the line chart. So it has recently crossed the previous high. So previous high was somewhere here. It was around 9973, and it has already crossed, and it is trading at that level. So here Nifty is has got a movement of like 90 points for now. But even though if there's a good movement, SBI has not followed this pattern. Okay, so if you see currently the Nifty is on the candlestick pattern, it looks something like this. Okay, so if you see this is the movement on the Nifty side. So it's trading at you know 9972 points. So it got corrected from this level, that is 9865 level, and it went up. The pattern looks, or the trend looks, when you compare it to the SBI bank, it looks fine, but it's still a range bound trading which is happening. So I would say suggest that to hold on even trading on the Nifty with this pattern. So if you had bought the position here, that's fine. You could have sold here. I think it will come down because if you see the previous level here, it's around, I would say around, it's around 9965 levels. Okay, one second, let me just show it in you. So if you see here, from here it has come down here and it has gone up. Okay, maybe it will come down again, and we have to see it will be on the sideways. So overall, if you see, it has formed lower here, then lower high, then at the same level, then it might come down for a while and then take a change in the direction. Okay, at this point I would say look for a, if you want to trade, if you're aggressive trader, look for a short. Or if you are normal trader who is not aggressive, then I would say hold for this range bound to get corrected. So you can buy above 10,000, or you can short below 9,868, around that. So if you're doing a positional trade, you can follow this. Okay, so when we compare the SBI chart, it's actually it's not giving any movement. So Saying that, so always when we say we should follow Nifty, and if Nifty is going up we can buy stock, or like if it is going down we can sell the stock. So that thumb rule always is not true. That's what I wanted to give you the heads up on this particular example. Thank you for watching. Please post your comments and let me know if you're looking for any new videos on that topic I can make. Thank you. Have a great day.